Welcome back. Power Minister Milind Naik assured that there will not be any fluctuation and disruption of power in the state. He was speaking at the commissioning of 33 kV underground cabling. It will connect KTC subdivision to Verna subdivision. This is one of the major development projects in Murmugaon.
आमचा तालुका आम्ही अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करतो पण पयशांचे पळोवपा पडटा सरकार आहा आमी एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक तालुका म्हणजे गोवा न्ही आनी आय एम अ मिनिस्टर फॉर स्टेट नॉट फॉर अ तालुका सो आय हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ एवरीथिंग म्हणून हांव सांगता अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग प्रॉब्लेमॅटीक फिडर्स ऑल ओवर गोवा विल बी डन.
On completion of this project, the quality of supply of the kV shall improve to great extent, and we have reached at a stage that unless main supply fails at Ponta substation, there shall not be a failure of the kV power supply to this Vasco city.
The Vatican has ratified the canonization of Blessed Joseph Vaz. This was held at the ordinary public consistory of cardinals convened by Pope Francis. The cardinals voted for the canonization of Blessed Joseph Vaz. His canonization mass will be celebrated on 14 January 2015.
The news of the Pope's approval and the Vatican's ratification of the canonization of the Blessed Joseph Vaz has been jubilantly received by faithfuls in Goa and across the world. The consistory was convened on Monday to ratify the canonization of Blessed Joseph Vaz a month after Pope Francis had approved the votes of the ordinary session of the congregation for the causes of saints in favor of the canonization. Blessed Joseph Vaz is the son of the soil and hails from Sankwal. Bureau Report, Prudent.
FC Goa will clash with ISL giants Atletico de Kolkata on Thursday. FC Goa is yet to open its winning account in ISL. Both teams are raring to return back to the pavilion as victorious after tomorrow's match. Team Kolkata is confident about tomorrow's fixture, while FC Goa coach says he has high hopes from his strikers. Both teams were warming up at Fatorda Stadium on Wednesday.
FC Goa versus Atletico de Kolkata. All eyes are set on this high-octane match slated for Thursday. FC Goa lost their first match against Chennai. The second stint with Northeast United was a draw, and now the home team has to open its winning account on Thursday. But Atletico de Kolkata is very confident of winning the match.
Scenario in the it's always been there in football. So how do you explain it?
No, end of the day there is no any difference. It's a football match. We have to be stick together according to the coach's plans, whether you're playing for Goa or Kolkata. So we are looking for we are taking as a one game. So tomorrow is for us very important. So we are looking for tomorrow's game.
The game had a few seasons and then everyone got to know each other very well, so they are gelling together a lot and we are just looking game by game, working with each other very hard, so that's what's keeping us going.
While FC Goa coach Zico has pinned his hopes on Goa strikers for the Thursday fixture.
Só espera que quando se cria essas chances a gente concretize em gols, né?
We hope that when we can get this chance that we can finalize in goals.
Só no segundo jogo, no primeiro aqui também, muitas oportunidades.
Important in a team is to create opportunities. It was not just in the second game, the first match also. We create a lot of opportunities.
Finalização aqui temos que ter calma para fazer a escolha certa.
To finalize, is that what we need to be calm and do the right thing.
Para que a bola entre, né?
So that the ball can go inside.
Não fique dependendo de zagueiro fazer gol todo jogo.
That we cannot depend on the defender to score for us every game.
Futebol isso é bom também.
For the football it is also good.
A torcida que veio ver.
For the supporters that come to see, everyone is
A gente quer ver sempre os melhores dentro do
we
campo.
always want to see the best in the pitch.
Do nosso time.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.